In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Hostinger web hosting plan. This process involves an important step: disabling auto-renewal, ensuring you won't be charged further, and your service will automatically expire at the end of the current billing period. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of the process, making it a simple task to manage your subscriptions. To start, you'll first need to log in to your Hostinger account. This can be done by visiting the Hostinger website and entering your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the main area of your account where you can manage your services. Now, let's move on to finding the section where you can handle your billing options. Look for the Billing or Subscriptions area within your dashboard. This section contains all the information related to your payment methods, billing history, and, crucially, the details of your current subscriptions. Here, you can see an overview of all your active services. Next, you need to identify the specific hosting plan you wish to cancel. This step is essential because if you have multiple services, you want to make sure you're applying changes to the correct one. Take your time here to double-check the plan's details and ensure that it's the one you're intending to stop. With the correct plan selected, you'll now look for the option to disable the auto-renewal feature. This step is pivotal, as disabling auto-renewal is what effectively prevents any future charges for the plan. The option you are looking for might be labeled as Disable Auto-Renew or something similar. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. Finally, you'll need to confirm your decision to disable auto-renewal. This confirmation step solidifies your choice, ensuring that the change is intentional. Once confirmed, your subscription won't renew, and you won't incur additional charges beyond your current billing cycle. This means the hosting service will remain active until your prepaid period ends, giving you time to transition your website if needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your hosting plans by disabling auto-renewal. Doing so helps you avoid any unexpected charges, and you'll have the freedom to choose if and when you want to renew. Remember, managing subscriptions is a great way to maintain control over your expenses. Thanks for tuning into today's guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your online services effectively.